Hey guys, I've got something a little bit new today. So while I was working earlier, if you don't know, I work from home. The 1.5-year-old got a hold of the markers and colored things that shouldn't be colored. It's painful, but look at my ottoman. And you might notice the blinds have been colored now, and also the windowsill, and that was the only thing that was supposed to be colored. But apparently he missed that part of the instructions and he colored whatever he wanted to color. So I've got some ideas I'm going to try that I looked on Pinterest for ideas on how to get marker off of this. This is like a microfiber. And the one I'm seeing the most is using rubbing alcohol. So this is 91% rubbing alcohol. And I'm going to actually put it in a squirt bottle just to make it easier to apply. So I'm going to use rubbing alcohol, a squirt bottle, and a white terry cloth, and let's see if it works. If it works, I'll share this video with you guys. If it doesn't work, I'll keep it to myself. Okay guys, I've just put it in there. Here goes nothing. Let's just try that spot first. Ooh, it's working. I don't know if you can see that real good right there, but it's working. Oh, I'm so relieved. I'm really not even having to put a lot of pressure on this. And it looks like I won't have to watch a YouTube video and learn how to reupholster things. That was going to be my next idea if I couldn't get all this marker off. Well, I guess it's time for me to learn how to cover furniture. But it looks like I am off the hook. Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead and finish this up. I'm not going to make you watch the whole thing. But I hope this little tip helps you in case you have a little wild, almost 2-year-old, sweet, cute, little adorable guy like I do. I'll show you this all when it's done. Alright folks, it is all done and it looks good as new. Well, there we have it. Just a little bit of alcohol will get the marker out of your furniture. Alright, thanks for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed it. My only alternative if I couldn't have gotten that marker out was I was going to learn how to reupholster it. Or I also learned from watching some of these other videos that you can chalk paint furniture. So you can get that Rust-Oleum chalk paint. I found it at Home Depot. You can get the Annie Sloan. It's more at boutique paint shops. But you can actually chalk paint furniture, so if you have a piece and you can't get marker out of yours, that might be an option you might want to look into. That's what I was considering doing if I couldn't have gotten the marker out of this one. So, enjoy your 2-year-olds, or in my case, almost 2-year-old. And I'm glad that I was able to share this with you, and I hope it can help you save your furniture. If you like this video, let me know in the comments below. If you'd rather I don't post things like this on my channel, let me know that too. But I enjoyed it, and it was helpful to me, so I thought I'd share along the little good tip. Thanks for watching.